Hey guys, I'm Cisco. Welcome to the Freestyle Sushi with Cisco, the show that will make you wow with our freestyle pan-Asian dishes. Today we're gonna make Asian roll, and here is the ingredients: 60 milliliters of water, 40 grams of tempura flour, 100 grams of sushi rice, couple of slices of mango, couple of slices of cucumber, half slice of avocado, 2 pieces of prawns, and seaweed nori. Okay, we're gonna start to roll these tempura prawns from our tempura flour. And advising you to buy a tempura flour than to use plain flour. Tempura flour is ready-made and it's very good to use for tempura. And now we mix the water. I said 60 milliliter. Then mix it. Now we're ready to deep fry it in our deep fryer. We start deep fry it with 180. Okay. Dip in to our ready-made butter. Make it little bit straight. About 1 minute. It will be ready. Easy. Go our tempura prawns, and this is very tasty. And now I'm gonna spread the 100 grams of sushi rice on top of seaweed. Yeah, this is uramaki. Urumaki, again, I'll explain to you that rice is outside. And the sauce, sweet chili, and Japanese mayonnaise. This is one of my favorite mayonnaise. And now we put the prawns. Couple of slice of cucumber, and mango, couple of slice of mango. And this is the way I cut it, and I'm giving you advice for if you are first time to roll, just put little bit filling inside, so easy for you to roll. And now little bit edge and little bit space. Then hold it tight, then roll it. Make sure like you tuck in the sushi mat, and make sure they have a little bit space so that you can roll properly. and just one roll, then press it. And here's our uramaki tempura prawns. Sushi mat is always available in our local Asian store. Yeah. Sometimes Ciscoes they have. Yeah. And now I'm gonna use the avocado, half of avocado, and take out the skin. You need to buy a soft avocado, not over ripe, just soft. And you need to slice very thin with your sharp knife, very thin, thin as you can. To use here's the techniques of using knife. You should guide your finger, not straight it up, just yeah, like that, so that you didn't hurt yourself or cut your finger, and slice very thin. Be careful. Then, and you want, just press it. Very simple, easy. Same size of the uramaki tempura prawns. Then you need a longer knife. Then we put the avocado on top of the tempura prawns uramaki. And press. Yeah. Before cutting it, you need to put some cling film so that the avocado will stay on top. And now use the little bit water, cut in the middle. The standard is always 6 pieces, 3 and 3. Sometimes they cut it 8 pieces. And one more, use this one so that make sure the avocado stay on top of the tempura uramaki. And now I'm gonna place it nice plates. Just a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Here's the finished product, and thank you for watching another episode of Freestyle Sushi with Ciscoes. Yummy. Yeah. No, under.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. The second one, right, the other side.
This one?
Yeah. The other side. Yeah. Yes.